Hey folks, how's it going? I think we're gonna be doing the live shows, the live videos, live streaming, whatever you want to call it, on Saturday nights. And possibly Tuesday nights. Tuesday night, probably for sure, I believe. I'm thinking 7, 8 o'clock. I'm not, I haven't dissected it 100% yet, but might be 9 o'clock. Who the hell knows? But that's where we're at with that. I'd say stay tuned definitely for Tuesday, and I will post something in the community tab exactly what time it's going to be. See where he's at on this for the timing chain. Looks like you got about most of the bolts out. Just the two on the bottom. Still that one's out, that one's out. That's where he gave up at. He broke the power steering line. He's been having a lot of issues getting his part. He's not mechanically inclined. He doesn't like to work in cars, but he needs to start learning to work on them. I can't be doing stuff for him all the time, and the only thing I'm going to do on this is I'm just going to install the chain itself. It's his job to do everything else. I'd say he needs to do a good cleaning while he's in here. We're at this point, everything should be cleaned down, sprayed down, and so on. That'd be my recommendations. Doesn't mean he will, just be my recommendations. When the wife gets back with her kid, we're gonna let that cool off. We gotta do an oil change on that. We did a lower radiator hose, 2017 GMC or Chevy 1500. This is getting done this coming week. So the black Ford will be coming in. And when that comes in, we will be getting the engine done. The square body, we got the transmission and everything on that. We need to get a drive shaft made for it. The 400's 2 inches longer than the 350-ish. Well, no ish on that, it's the 350. We need to get the body mounts for the F-150 there. Gonna have to reorder them or some shit. I don't know, they never came in. And get that front clip on that. That way we get that back to the customer. We were supposed to install this, but the flex mount doesn't have the bolts in it. And so I emailed them today to see what grade bolts they're supposed to use in them, because we'll get that put up then. But that's where we're at in the garage today. Gonna try to make it a mediocre, easy day in the garage. I doubt it. Try and get all the tools put away. Try to get the garage cleaned up some. It's always a bunch to do. Later, folks.